If you're looking for curvy roads with lots of smooth corners for a fun ride or drive, this is Bukit Hantu. Just follow this road and turn right to the back roads leading up to the temple. Ooh, dragon. Yes, we will see some here. I am now at Phat Hoa Kong Temple in Semenyih. Lamborghini owners are here as well to support the temple's grand festival event happening today. Upon entry, you'll be greeted by a massive 21-foot tall statue of Chi Kung standing behind the main archway. Here are the dragons, the Imperial Dragon Ram, an exclusive pathway for the gods, the Coil Dragon Pillars, celestial guardians protecting the sacred temple grounds. This prominent temple is the major center for the worship of Chi Kung, the wild wine-drinking mad monk who became a living god. Born Li Xiu Yuan during China's Song Dynasty, he became a monk but completely rejected the strict rules. He ate meat, drank heavy wine and wore rags. But don't let the madness fool you. He was a brilliant spiritual master. He used his magical straw fan to heal the sick, fight corruption and protect the poor. His philosophy? Pure hearts matter more than clean robes. Today, devotee looks for his iconic fan to banish bad luck and his god for his joyful energy. The temple grounds have been transformed into a massive night marketplace featuring fun crowd games, open-air dining under the beautiful sky, dozens of street food stalls, local Malaysian snacks, specialized desserts and refreshing beverages. Today's event is the 47th Chi Kung and Mao Shan Master 1000 Autumn Sacred Birthday Celebration. The lion dance is starting, let's check it out. The performance begins at the main entrance with loud rhythmic drums, cymbal and gongs intended to shock and drive away any stagnant or negative spirits. And it goes through the crowd all the way to the backstage, essentially creating a safe, spiritually positive parameter for the carnival grounds. This event includes appearance by Malaysian badminton legend Dato Chia Soon Kit and charity love ambassador Carrie Lee ZK. Carrie Lee made waves internationally 2 decades ago. 2004, she represented Malaysia and won the prestigious Miss Chinese Cosmos International crown in Hong Kong. Fun fact, during her school days, she was actually known as a massive tomboy and was a top state-level athlete in sports like handball. She completely transformed herself to enter the beauty world to help support her family. But she didn't just stop at modeling and acting. Carrie is the founder and visionary director behind Miss Cosmo World, an international beauty pageant headquartered in Malaysia that focuses heavily on women financial independence and empowerment. She also runs successful beauty, event planning and health wellness business. Seeing a successful international pageant queen and entrepreneur step out to support local cultural and charity temple event show just how down to earth she is. It definitely added a massive touch of star power to the festival. Dinner, I am taking away fried kway teow plus mee with duck egg. Kunafa is the craze now, so I'm getting myself the premium chocolate pistachio kunafa. It's crunchy with deep chocolate taste. Same goes with pistachio. Dessert or drinks made with it is rare but delicious. However, this drink has a twist. It's pistachio, sticky rice, ice blended. Love their smiles and the drink. Beautiful night view of the temple. Alright, I'm heading back. Same goes with the Lamborghinis. Hope you enjoy all these exciting discoveries. See you in the next video.